my Amazonians, I'm back with another video review, and this time it's for Note Card Cafe. It's their 60 postcards in 7 different styles. They're all modern. They have this glossy type finish on the front, and then it's uncoated on the back. So permanent markers and pens, I mean, they can write very easily on these cards. Now the size is 4 1/4 by 6 inches. So if your math is not that great, I'm going to go ahead and compare it to my Star Wars DVD box right here. Okay, I'm trying to focus in. Now I am going to get an aerial stand, so when I do reviews like this, I can record from above instead of at this angle. So let's pick you guys up so you can see the size. Now it's about an inch, so not 1/4 of an inch difference. It's about an inch difference in terms of width, and just a little bit. This looks like, let me push this up a little bit so I can get an exact measure. So it's about an inch on the top, and then a quarter of an inch, no, inch on the top, 1/2 of an inch on the side. So at least you guys have an idea of how big the cards are. Now I do use these thank you cards for retail, where you can just write a nice little personalized message to, you know, customers who purchase something from me. Now they have these 6 designs. I'm not sure if each stack has different designs, but it's something I will look into. That way I don't feel like I'm being repetitive and purchasing the same thing over and over again. I'd rather just have something different. So to start things off, I will say that the color that you're seeing now, it's very true to color. So there's no filter or anything that I'm using. There's no light. Now, let's put that set to the side. And then on the back of the card, this is where you have the area you can put a stamp. You write who's it to, and your message goes right here. And in fine print, it does say available on Amazon just below the thank you card. Well, the thank you stamp. So we have green and white stripe. And then we have this pretty pattern here. It's like a midnight blue. I have seen sheets with this pattern, so this is why it's so familiar to me. And again, on the back, it's exactly the same as the previous pattern. So that's pattern number 2. Pattern number 3 reminds me of a room divider. Now this one is gray and white, and you can see it squares and lines. Oh, they got a little mixed up. And now we have green and white polka dots. It's a very dark green. It's like an olive. It's definitely like an olive color. You guys can see how glossy it is. After that, it is the gold and white diagonal stripes. And last but not least will be the peach zigzag kind of pattern. I think if it's a chevron or something like that, but I mean, if you turn it this way, it's a zigzag. Now on the bottom or the base of each stack, you have this little card here from Note Card Cafe itself, where they're offering you the opportunity to customize your envelopes. Since they have, you know, pretty much an unlimited number of designs, to be fair, I mean hundreds of designs, as you can see it says right here. At least you can choose pretty envelopes to accommodate, not accommodate, but to accompany your cards. And I think that goes a really long way. Some people did say that they wouldn't use them for like weddings because, to be honest, it's not appropriate for weddings. It really is not. This is more retail style type of card. Definitely don't use it for death. and always just keep it simple, clean, you know, keep it fun. And that's my review for the Note Card Cafe 60 postcards. I showed you the 6 different styles, and I hope to purchase more of these so I can see some of the other styles. So thank you guys for contacting me on Amazon, sending me emails, questions, suggestions. It's always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.